How to add multiple clocks to the start menu. I'm based somewhere in Europe and my computer clock is configured to the European time zone by default. In this tutorial, I'll be adding a new clock for an entirely different time zone to my PC start menu. For you to do that, type clock into the search box and click on the corresponding result. On the Alarm and Clock homepage, navigate to the clock section. That will display your local time, date, as well as a map with GeoPin that shows your current location. To add a new clock for a different region or time zone, tap the plus icon at the bottom right corner of the display. That will bring up a new search bar just at the top of the map. Enter a location into the search box. It could be the name of a country, a state, or a city. As you type in the box, Windows system will show you some suggestions. Tap a region of choice from the drop-down suggestion. Windows will display the time difference between your default time zone and the newly added time zone. A new pin showing the location of the new clock would also be added to the map. To add the new clock to the start menu of your computer, simply right-click the clock and select Pin to Start option. A window prompting you to confirm if you truly want to add the new clock to your PC start menu will pop up. Tap Yes to proceed. Now you should see multiple clocks in your PC start menu. All the watches should carry a proper label with their respective location and time. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.